If you're considering the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro Black computer, here's everything you need to know before making a decision. As a tech reviewer, I'll break down the key features and performance of this pre-built gaming PC, so you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for your needs. The iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor, which provides excellent performance for gaming, video editing, and AI software. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 16GB graphics card offers impressive graphics capabilities, making it suitable for demanding games and content creation tasks. Additionally, the PC comes with 32GB DDR5 RGB 5200 MHz RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast load times. In terms of storage, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro features a 2TB NVMe solid-state drive, providing ample space for your files and applications. The PC also includes Wi-Fi ready connectivity, making it easy to stay connected online. With an onboard audio system, you can enjoy high-quality sound without breaking the bank. One of the standout features of this PC is its tempered glass RGB gaming case, which not only looks great but also provides excellent airflow and cooling. The 16-color RGB lighting case adds a touch of personality to your desktop setup. Furthermore, iBUYPOWER includes a free gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse with the purchase, making it an attractive option for gamers. Now, let's talk about performance. In everyday use, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro delivers smooth and responsive performance, making it suitable for general office work, browsing, and streaming. However, when it comes to demanding tasks like video editing or 3D rendering, the PC's performance can be somewhat limited by its cooling system. The NVIDIA Studio features on this PC are a major selling point, offering exclusive tools and acceleration for video editing, 3D rendering, and design. While these features are certainly exciting, they do come with a price tag, literally. The iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is priced at around $2,500, which may be out of budget for some users. In terms of limitations, the PC's cooling system can be somewhat restrictive when running demanding tasks. Additionally, the 32GB RAM may not be enough for users who need to run multiple resource-intensive applications simultaneously. Despite these limitations, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is still a solid choice for gamers and content creators looking for a high-performance desktop PC. Its AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 16GB graphics card provide excellent performance, making it suitable for demanding games and tasks. Overall, I'd recommend the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro to users who are willing to invest in a high-quality gaming PC. While it may not be the most affordable option on the market, its performance and features make it an attractive choice for those looking for a premium desktop experience. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description. Hopefully this helped you decide whether it's the right choice for your needs.